we are going to be opening and reviewing the Moshi Monsters
gumball machine. I've got this.
Sounds like there's nothing in it.
Because it's so big. I've got this.
So, there's the Moshi. Okay.
Yeah,
and then that's the front bit. You see it? Says exclusive
right, we just
Moshi
want to open
inside.
it. I'm sure the viewers will be
Twist
like,
handle to release. Yeah, I know that. Right.
Just open that spike and open it. That'd be so cool. It's not how you do it, Abby.
Well, that's how I open things.
Well, like that.
There's still sellotape attached to it. Lots of sellotape when you get this. It's like it's really hard.
Abby should never use scissors like that.
Lots of people do that.
Still, you shouldn't.
Amy, watch your hand. That's gonna come flying. Right, I thought it was gonna go like.
So did
I thought it was gonna go.
Yeah, like. That's what I thought.
Got this guy.
Got him. And I've got the gumball machine. I got that like a little while ago.
Hey, so
Mama!
So put that here. Yeah. Right in front of me. To the side. And we'll open.
This is a massive table. Like absolutely massive.
Sort of.
Sorry.
Oh! There's Priscilla. I put all my motions that are like.
I think someone just tapped the door.
Priscilla.
Well, Steve.
She'd fallen over here a few times.
I've got that pink guy. And Priscilla.
What's his name? Does not say the name.
I'm not sure of his name.
So let's open this thing.
Our gumball machine.
It's got this wee bit on top of it. Take that one. And here it is.
You need to stick a thing on it.
Gumball machine. There's nothing else inside it.
You need to stick a sticker on it. Look.
Oh.
I've got this and I'm so happy I've got this.
So where do you stick it?
We can stick the Moshi one there.
What are the other ones?
What's it? I'll stick it on. It's mine. I'm not getting to do anything.
You already blooming have the thing.
Stick it on careful. Just don't look up. Don't look up.
It's really hard.
No, it isn't. It's easy.
But then it's all wonky. So where do you put the tongue?
I don't know.
Where have you put yours? You haven't stuck a tongue on, have you?
No, because it's quite stupid. But I know where I'm going to stick mine. You stick yours where you want. But I know where I'm going to stick mine.
Okay.
No way I'm sticking mine there. I'm sticking mine there.
Okay.
But it doesn't matter.
There's my gumball. So let's see if I can fit all my moshis inside it.
You won't be able to exactly. But you won't be able to fit all your muscles in. You know how you've got way more than me? I can hardly fit all of mine in because I've got millions, but... Wow. Bad. I bet you won't love it. It's going all under the desk. So our YouTube videos on. See, Abby, how it's almost full already and you still got all of them?
It's almost full.
My heart is beating like a drum. I do the pineapple. Oh yes, the pineapple.
Cutie pie.
We did it today, remember? So scared. I had so much butterflies in it on me, and then like when we got on and started singing, it was like fine.
I know, we did a talent show in our school.
We were singing in front of more than 500 people.
No, less than that. Was it?
No, 450.
No, it wasn't because most of the people auditioned.
Yeah, no, but only some of them got in. We got chose out of more than 70 people. Should we do that, Abby?
Yeah, there was about 70 people auditioned. Oh no.
Told ya.
Fair enough.
Mine just go right up to the top, Abby, and you've got more than me.
I'll just have to
Half
squeeze
of mine
them in.
don't fit in.
I'll just have to squeeze them in. In a whole bundle. Right, so wait, don't just put in our whole
Oh,
bundle
come
in.
on, but Peapod never getting in bustling. Or Jeepers! You need to get Jeepers in and Toasty.
Jeepers and Toasty are in, right? Both my Jeepers. And
Oh,
Ecto.
no Jeepers.
And Ecto. Right, so they're definitely in.
Banana Montana!
Just have to like push them like down.
Abby, Banana Montana.
You have to like.
You've got 2 Jeepers.
I know that.
And you were begging. You should give Holly. Oh, ow.
Holly's got Jeepers. What
Ow.
happened?
I think I'm trying to do that. 1 second, guys, please. Hi.
Where are you going?
Oh.
These guys have to go in. Just make sure you go in. Definitely you. Whoa. We're not all gonna fit, guys. Still got
Hold on.
lots more moshies to put in.
You've got loads of more moshies from it. Don't get these shoes.
Why?
They're like ones, the laces just always come undone.
Well, they are quite nice shoes.
What?
They're quite good shoes, I think.
Yeah. Get them. But take the laces out.
No, don't take the laces out. Right. That's the only moshi that could actually fit in. Actually, I'll put more in. I'll put all these ones back in.
Abby, your cousin got in the shower. Your cousin's on my phone.
Oh no.
Abby,
What?
I'm now an admin but Carrie left, but then Erica. I'm an admin, I can remove her. Ab, you're an admin as well. What? Erica?
Who's the admin?
All of us.
All of us, and then Carrie.
Carrie left. So I'm removing Erica. Willa. Abby, you've still got all of these.
I don't know.
And then there's millions lying on the floor. Abby, there's so much lying on the floor. Look, this is what she's got left.
That's all the moshis that couldn't fit in. But
It's got all of that.
well, it still doesn't go on. Will it not go on with that?
Yeah.
Why not?
You need to take Holga out and Penny. And
That should fit now.
it does, Abby, move.
It's like a mo machine.
Thank
Let's
you.
see who we get. So move these guys out the way. All the way out to the
I've got this in Mendelsville as well.
So you can't even make sure you can see the table so that you can see who comes out. Comes out is Roka.
Yeah, but it does that to mine. Wait, I'll get it. Other way!
Oh.
You've got too much in, it won't come out. It's pushing down on the thing too hard and it can't turn, and it's jamming all the moshis into it. You've got far too much in. You need to take about 2 out, or 3. It's what it did to mine, Abby, so... And the lid is so hard to get off.
Oh yeah. Can't even get any out.
jamming it. That should be it after them. So don't take sukiyaki out. You can keep sukiyaki in, I think.
I'm taking bustling and pirate pong.
No, Abby, you can fit one more in. I think you should put golden bustling. Why not golden bustling?
It still won't work.
Wait, let me try. Can I try?
It's still not going to work, Amy.
I can't even get one off.
It's easy. Well, no, not really.
Take pirate pong out.
And sukiyaki. And yeah.
Now it'll work.
No, it won't.
It should, because that's what mine goes up to and it works. Mine works fine. I bet yours doesn't. Mine does, but that should be enough.
It's not. It still doesn't work, Amy. Look. Why do you get like 3 out at a time? Right, so. Got oopsie. Right, so let's see who we get.
I'm stronger than her.
No, you're not. Am I doing this again? Yeah.
You need to keep switching it, right?
Phoebe. Okay, so that was gumball machine.
It's very dark. Look at me in the mirror.
Quite
Weird. Like, not weird, but
quite
is that, have we got
annoying.
anything to do in the next video with our moshis? No. I think.
Oh, we could film us playing that.
Yeah.
Right,
Come on, we
okay,
need to.
wait.
So next video you're gonna.
Don't give it away.
Okay.